So now we are going to discuss question number 7A. Sundip Corporation has three divisions whose income statement and balance sheet are summarized below. So we have three division X, Y, Z. So sales, in this sales we need to find out for Y and Z. Operating income they have given operating asset. In operating asset we need to find for Y. So asset turnover margin ROI. So supply the missing information 1 to 7. So there are 7 missing information in in this table. So we need to calculate all the 7. So first we need to use the formulas whatever they have asked for. So first one asset turnover. So we know what is asset turnover ratio. So sales divided by operating assets. So now first I'm going to calculate for division X. Asset turnover is equal to sales divided by operating assets. So now what is the sales? 10 lakhs divided by operating assets 2 lakhs. So 10 divided by 2. So 10 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs. So I will be getting 5. So this is should be represented in 5 times. So always asset turnover should not represent in percentage. So remember that. So 5 times. Then what else I have? Margin. So margin in the sense my profit, right? So margin here I want to calculate based on operating income. So operating income divided by sales. So margin, operating income divided by sales. My operating income is how much? 50,000 divided by 10 lakhs. So 50,000 divided by 10 lakhs into 100. So margin can be represented in percentage. So we can use into 100. So I will be getting 50 percentage. Sorry, 50,000 divided by 10 lakhs, 5 percentage. I will be getting 5 percentage. Then they are asked for ROI, that is return on investment. ROI is equal to margin into asset turnover. So here margin is 5 and asset turnover is 5 times. So 5 into 5, 25 times. So I have calculated all the missing information for division X. So you have totally 7 missing information. So for each missing information, we will be awarded 1 mark. So if I have calculated all the 3 in division X, I will be getting 3 marks. So now let's move on to Y. So in case of Y, so here I need to calculate sales, I need to calculate operating assets, I need to calculate asset turnover, everything. So first I need to check what are all the informations available. So for margin, I am having some information. So I can substitute that formula first. So first I'm substituting margin formula, that is operating income divided by sales into 100. So here I'm having margin as 0.5%. So 0.5 is my margin. Operating income 60,000. So sales I don't know. So divided by sales into 100. So I can now easily find out the sales. Sales is equal to 60,000 divided by 0.5 into 100. So if I am substituting this, I will be getting 1 crore 20 lakhs. So my sales here is 1 crore 20 lakh rupees. So usually sometimes we will miss this point 0.5 instead of 0.5 if you're using some other, or if you're calculating wrongly, it will go wrongly. If you are missing this 100, it will go wrongly. So remember to put exactly. So then I will apply for operating assets in this asset turnover ratio. So I need to calculate operating assets, right? So now I calculated sales. So again, then I want to calculate operating assets. So operating assets will be calculated based on asset turnover. So first, I want to calculate operating assets. So here I don't know asset turnover, I don't know operating assets. So I can't apply this formula. So I will try for ROI formula. So ROI I'm having 2.5%. So I will try to apply ROI also. So my ROI is 2.5%. So 2.5 is equal to margin, that is margin is zero point 0.5 into asset turnover. So 2.5 divided by zero point 0.5 will be my asset turnover. So 5 will be my asset turnover. So asset turnover is 5. So I have calculated asset turnover now. So just we want to try to apply all the formulas. So which formula will come correctly? So first I tried to apply as a turnover, but it is not working out because I want to calculate two variants in that. So next, what is available variant ROI? So I am trying to apply ROI. So in ROI, I'm having ROI 2.5% margin. I'm having, so I can calculate as a turnover easily. So students, you have to try to apply all the formulas by using the formulas first. You first write the formulas and you try to substitute the variance in that. So if you're simply thinking, no, sometimes it won't work. If you're writing, it will for sure will get you some idea. So here I'm having asset turnover as 5 and my sales, that is 1 crore 20 lakhs, divided by my operating assets. So my operating assets is equal to 1 crore 20 lakhs divided by 5. So 24 lakhs will be my operating assets. So my operating assets is 24 lakhs. So now we completed for division X. So now let's move on to division Z. So now in division C, we want to calculate only one variant. So sales. So we have asset turnover, margin, ROI, everything we have. So we want to calculate sales alone. So if I am substituting marginal formula, so my margin is 4%. Operating income is 10,000. So sales I don't know, divided by sales into 100. So sales is equal to 10,000 divided by 4 into 100. So 10,000 divided by 4 into 100. So my sales will be 2 lakh 50,000. So that's it. We have calculated for all the seven information and for all the three divisions. So this is a simple formula. We can calculate within 10 minutes. So it will take save your time also. So usually don't consume more than 15 minutes for 7 mark problems, because in management accounting usually we won't find enough time. So please remember, you want to complete within 15 marks. If you are not able to complete within 15 minutes, please move on to next problem. Thank you.